So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Renuka Sugar share. So recently, when we discussed about this particular stock in the 33 rupees region, we have done the complete technical analysis and the numbers, whatever the company has posted, so that were not to the expected mark. And similarly, all the mid caps and small caps, as we discussed earlier also, they were all in little bit of weakness and still they are facing the same downtrend. So at this point of time, should you have a panic mind? So definitely you should not have any panic mindset. So rather than having that sort of thinking, you need to search for buying opportunities. So especially all the large cap companies are having some very good trend. So mid caps are facing little bit of trouble, but in future, so definitely they will also start retracing. So try to accumulate as much as you can in some best quality stocks that we are discussing on a regular basis, and even few large caps also we have covered in the previous session. So make sure you have watched that particular stock as well. So today we'll try to find out what are the major support regions that we need to focus, especially for Renuka Sugars, and also we'll try to find out the next possible targets. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so if we discuss about Renuka Sugar, so especially today's movement, you can see we have not seen any major downfall. So just normal 2.24% downfall was seen in the stock. So weekly chart itself signifies that the stock has faced little bit of correction. But you also need to remember that the stock has also gone to a very good extent from a very low levels because of the demand of sugar sector. So now since the entire sector is facing little bit of trouble, but as we discussed earlier that in US, whatever the steel and sugar stocks have given some very good rally, so the same would be replicated into our market. So only they are not going up because majorly they belong to mid and small cap. So on that particular note, and even the numbers were not that interesting to make the stock go upside. Okay, so as I told, so those are only the temporary factors. So previously, whatever the ethanol blending program we have discussed and how the prices of sugar will increase in the future. So still a little bit of time taking process in this particular stock. But as I told, for long term, you need to have a very clear vision. So I know many people have invested at very high levels near 33, 34, even near 40 also. Many people have taken this particular stock. So still they are holding because it may retrace at any point of time, so we can't tell that. Okay, so discussing the supports on weekly chart time frame, so you can see 25 is the very strong support for Renuka Sugars, so where it is trying to hold very tightly. So once it sustains that, so then only we can expect a very good reversal. So until then, you need to watch out the 25 rupees level very carefully. So this is on weekly chart. So let's even discuss on daily chart. Okay, so clearly once we see the daily chart time frame, so you can see after the stock, when it has entered the NSE B category, we have seen the continuous downtrend. So after that, again it has started retracing, but again it could not sustain the higher levels, and again it has started falling. So once you can see, if it sustains 25 rupees level, so you can see this type of pattern may be formed. Okay, so this type of pattern may be formed. So definitely who know chart patterns, so they can identify what type of chart pattern it is. So you can say it is a head and shoulder pattern. So this type of pattern may be formed. So not 100% we can't justify that. So since it is near the border regions, so once it sustains, as I told, 25 rupees level, you can expect this particular pattern may happen. So there you can see it first may approach 37. So after approaching 37, it may again retrace to 35, where maximum people face a little bit of panic situation. Again, it may start retracing. So this is the basic pattern that I wanted to discuss, especially related to Renuka Sugars. So if you're having patience, then definitely you can watch it. And if you want to have any fresh entry, so 25 is going to be very important. If it goes below that, then you need to wait and watch. So not before that. So if it is having a reversal from 25 rupees region, so there you can have a fresh entry, and even you can search for average opportunities. Okay, so this is in near term. So as we are discussing on daily chart, so Once it approaches and crosses 30, so then as usual it may give some very good momentum. So time taking process, as I told, so many days effort would be required. So if you are willing to have a swing for just few days, then definitely you can go for it. Okay, so all stocks are down, especially small cap and mid cap. So not only this particular stock. So don't worry about that. So once you're having confidence in the fundamentals, so then you can expect some very good moves. So Renuka Sugars financially, it is not that sound, but people have taken it higher levels since they're facing little bit of trouble. So they need to follow entire technicals. So if you're having any other doubts, you can ask in the comment section. And also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDerivIT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.